Hello everyone, welcome back to the winter challenge. It is good flying weather today. It's not blindingly sunny and there's like no wind and it's pretty warm. So we are back at this spot here at the park. In my past few videos, I've been experimenting with Betaflight features. So for the first couple of videos, I just had a lot of the fancy features turned off. In the previous video, I turned the PID loop time from 8 kilohertz to 1 kilohertz. And in this video, I am turning off RC smoothing on all of the axes except for throttle, and we're gonna see how that flies. So let me know down in the comments how you think the quad is flying, and enjoy the flight. So please like these videos if you're liking them, and if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider getting subscribed. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.
No, I won't forget, I'll just talk slow. Yeah, I know you're mine. I need you, so I'll just talk slow. Yeah, I know you're mine, so I'll just talk slow. No, I won't forget, I won't forget. Yeah, I know I won't forget you, so I'll just talk. So I'll just talk slow.